As part of its mandate to acquire improved knowledge for technical college teachers and instructors, the Federal Ministry of Education organized a one-day workshop on improving the capacity of teachers in the technical colleges of education. Speaking with correspondents, National Consultant, Idea Project, Professor Simon Madugualams enumerated the challenges faced and the need to enhance the standards of technical teachers in the country, and also to validate and implement the policy document for the training of the technical teachers and instructors in the country.
There is a document that ought to and has been produced or developed by the consultants and the task force and other stakeholders, and we are here to validate that document and then to get it for signing off so that it can now be used and be implemented for training of technical teachers and instructors across Nigeria, improving their skills and enhancing their competence.
Other stakeholders at the workshop highlighted the challenges of acquiring quality teachers and instructors in the technical education sector and the importance of this workshop to improving the capacity of technical teachers to groom the young students in TVET that are coming up.
It confirmed what we had always known, the challenge of getting quality technical teachers and instructors who have both the technical expertise and the academic knowledge that is necessary to groom the young ones who are coming up in various TVET sectors.
Federal government of Nigeria, in partnership with the World Bank, the NPCU is committed to implementing and to see that we bring our teachers training to the fullest the teachers are taken care of, so that the student can equally be taken care of in our technical colleges.
So the strategy looks at the current TVET environment, the entire sector in Nigeria, and looks at the key challenges, sets out key priorities to focus on, and provides an action plan that needs to be followed. If we follow the action plan well, then we should see some market improvement